Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be doing an oil change on my Jeep jlur. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and don't forget to subscribe. So I do my oil changes every 3,000 miles. I don't care what the dealership says. I run 91. I use Pennzoil Platinum, Ultra Platinum 530, and I use a factory filter. So let's go ahead and get underneath the vehicle. Let's do an oil change. So this is the oil filter. That's the number. That's the stock number, just in case. I actually picked this up from Walmart, so you could just run into Walmart and grab it. And also I grabbed the oil from Walmart, the Ultra Platinum 530 full synthetic. Pro tip here, if you're still under warranty, I do recommend ripping off the top of this so you have that number and put your mileage down, just so that you could show a running tab that you did change your oil.
All right, so once you get down here, it's a 13 millimeter to take off the drain bolt, and you just use a universal filter wrench for that. I have a snap-on one that adjusts with 3 fingers and it will take it off. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, now that you got everything pulled off, I like to let it all drain out. I usually like to leave the oil filter and the oil plug at the same time, kind of take out a little bit of the suction and just drain it all out of there. I also like to do it when the vehicle is a little bit warm, so the oil just kind of comes out a little bit faster. So it's up to you if you want to do that. I just like to do that so it's just a little bit quicker when you're doing an oil change. All right, now that we got everything all nice and snug, you don't have to over tighten it, just get it all nice and snug. Filter's back on, the plug's back on. Let's go ahead and add some oil to this thing.
So right here is the oil cap. Just want to go ahead and twist it off of there. You go ahead and use a funnel, or you could just go ahead and pour it in. It takes 5 quarts to fill it up, so let's go ahead and do that now. So obviously at this point, it's also a good time to check your coolant level, check your brake fluid, your other coolant, your windshield washer, because you know those bugs are just attacking your windshield. Check your air filter, check your cabin air filter inside behind the glove box. You know, just check all around. So let's go ahead and reset the oil light. So at this point in time, we are officially at what a lot of you have been waiting for, including myself. Let's go ahead and reset this oil light. So you want to just go ahead and put it into the run position. So click the button twice without pressing the brake. Let's go ahead and click OK here. When you're scrolling through the left right here, the OK, up and down, all that, you just want to scroll up until you get to this section. Obviously your tire pressure and all that. You want to scroll to the right here and you want to click OK to reset oil life. Let's go ahead and do that, and that is it. We just held the OK and it will reset your oil life. So at this point in time, the oil change is done. You go ahead and dispose of your old oil in the new jug that the new oil came in. I usually go to O'Reilly's. They usually take it, no problems. Just make sure that they'll accept it. I give them the oil and filter. You just got to sign in and put a little bit of information down. Other than that, I hope you guys found this video informational. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.